Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We will be comparing two mini drones with cameras, the RADCLO Mini Drone with camera and the DyineeFy Mini Drone. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the most important feature of these mini drones, the camera. The RADCLO Mini Drone comes equipped with a 1080p HD 90 degrees manually adjustable lens. This allows you to capture breathtaking aerial shots and enjoy 1080p HD pictures and videos via the RADCLO FPV app. On the other hand, the DyineeFy Mini Drone offers a vibrant array of LED lights that adorn its body, creating a captivating ambiance. However, it does not have a built-in camera. So, if you're looking for a mini drone with a camera, the RADCLO Mini Drone is the clear winner in this category. Flight stability is crucial when it comes to mini drones. The RADCLO Mini Drone boasts an easy-to-use stable altitude hold function. With a more powerful engine and stable hover technology, this drone can keep a certain altitude for easy control and shoot high-quality footage. On the other hand, the DyineeFy Mini Drone also offers altitude hold and headless mode features, allowing for effortless hovering and orientation control. Both drones provide stable flight experiences, making it a tie in this category. Now, let's talk about battery life. The RADCLO Mini Drone comes with 2PC's 800 mAh batteries, providing a total flight time of up to 22 minutes. Additionally, it includes extra accessories such as controller batteries, propeller guard, and spare fan blades. On the other hand, the DyineeFy Mini Drone offers a continuous flight time of 8 to 15 minutes with its rechargeable batteries. Both drones have decent battery life, but the RADCLO Mini Drone takes the lead in this category with its longer flight time and additional accessories. Moving on to features, the RADCLO Mini Drone offers multiple functions to fit your needs, including high-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, headless mode, one-key takeoff landing, 3D flip, low battery warning, and emergency stop. It caters to both beginners and skilled players. Meanwhile, the DyineeFy Mini Drone also provides features like headless mode, altitude hold, and speed adjustment. However, it lacks some of the advanced functions offered by the RADCLO Mini Drone. Therefore, the RADCLO Mini Drone wins this category with its extensive range of features. And there you have it, folks. After comparing the RADCLO Mini Drone with camera and the DyineeFy Mini Drone, we can see that the RADCLO Mini Drone emerges as the winner in most categories. However, it's essential to consider your specific needs and preferences before making a final decision. As always, make sure to do your research and read customer reviews before making a purchase. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Stay smart and happy shopping.